Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're playing Grow Garden again. And as you can see, it's nighttime, so for me it's not really nighttime. But anyway, today I'll be showing you the new legendary Bone Blossom. Now I did try to record this video and show you guys the cool Bone Blossom, but the Bone Blossom took so long to grow, even with 3 master sprinklers, 1 godly sprinkler, 10 normal sprinklers, and 5 advanced sprinklers, and 300 watering cans. It still took that long. So you're gonna want to plant this at night, not like this night, like in your time zone. So when you wake up, it should be ready, and you'll get a beautiful tree like this. Now guys, let's go check out how good these are, because I think we already know they are fantastic, but how fantastic are they? Okay. And, oh, we might get the moonlit as well. Not sure. Okay, let's sell this. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, I know that didn't look like a lot, but according to how much... Okay, hold on. I'll grab this tiny one. Nice. And then I'll grab... I want to say this one. Or this one. Okay, and let's see if either one is expensive. It's like really expensive. So, okay, so this tiny little thing, which is almost as small as you can go for it. You ask how much it's worth, and it's 157,000. That's crazy. And this is worth... Okay. It does have mutations, but let's check weight. How heavy is this? The newbie here. Oh wow, that's way heavier. That's way heavier. Okay, you know what? Let's take it small. How about a little Ember Lily? 10 pounds, no mutations on it. Which, I'm gonna say, Steam is pretty fair, according to Bone Blossom. Okay. So let's see. It's bigger than it. This is like a tiny little thing. You ask how much it's worth. And there's no way it's worth that much. How? Oh, by the way, guys, I've never used the reclaimer before, but you do guys know that, well, you should know that I'm pretty sure if you use... See, where's the reclaimer? Okay, if we use this on a seed, like on a tree or something like this, you, 1, will get the seed back, and 2, can plant it again. But I'm not sure if you can make it taller than it was before. If anyone knows if that's right. Also, I'll be doing more Grow Garden, like, YouTube videos, because these are apparently really, really good. You guys really like these. And as you can see, I have some mutation sprays. 1 from a merchant, 1 from the crafting, and another one from... Let's see if I can find it. Oh, you also have. I also have honey sprinklers. Oh, here it is. And one from this update, Ember. Now, if you guys don't know what Ember is, it's basically like, I'm pretty sure it's a times 10. The multiplication here is weird in Grow Garden. But if you'll see this, and you see all of this stuff on this sugar apple, you'll realize that there's an old amber on there. I don't even know. I just don't know. I think it's just if you leave it there for a while, it becomes old amber, which I'm assuming is better. Because you gotta wait, and that's like the whole thing about Grow Garden, basically. But I'm just gonna test this out. So let's get Cloud Touch on this. Oh, dang. Suck at parkour. Alright, now it's Cloud Touched. Why does it look bigger? I don't know what that does. Okay, and let's put chocolate. Ooh. And now, let's put Ember on it. Whoa. Oh, okay. So guys, Ember is basically like it's like prehistoric age. You could put something in Ember. You guys ever watched I cannot think of it. Jurassic Park. Dang it. How did that take me so long? The movie. Basically, it's a mosquito that was in Ember that basically bit a dinosaur, but we don't need all the details. The important part is that the mosquito was in Ember, which actually keeps things living way longer, apparently. It's not how it works, though. You know, it's a fun thing that they did in the movie. Right, this is gonna be so much. How much is... Oh wow, it's even heavier as well. Alright, let's see. If this is worth $1 million. Oh my goodness! Guys, if you're wondering, chocolate does ×3 and Ember does ×10, which, and I don't know what Cloud Touch does. I think it might be, I have no idea. Never mind, I have no idea. If you're watching this and you forgot to, and you did not watch my other video, you should go watch my other video, and it will give you some tips to growing your own bone blossom. Just like over here in the prehistoric quest, you could just go over here, click on here, go to quest, and then you'll either complete the quests or do pay to win. Do pay to win, it's way better, and it's a steal. Anyway, I'll just check the seeds in stock. Okay, while I'm checking the seeds in stock, I'm just gonna tell you guys about the Discord. If you guys do not have Grow Garden Discord, you probably are not getting good stuff. You just aren't, probably. All you have to do to get good stuff, like Master Sprinkler, or Godly, or Advanced, or even the Tanning Mirror, or Friendship Pot, all you have to do is go to the Discord. Just put in the roles that you want, like if you want Master Sprinkler, or you know, is the bud thing? What? Sugar Apple and Burning Bud, or Ember Lily, or Beanstalk, or Cacao, or Pepper. If you want grape as well, or mushroom, all you have to do is go to the Discord, click on that, and what that will do is that basically that will send an email. It will send a notification about your Discord to your computer. It will show up right here. Well, it should. Jeez. And basically, you could go inside of the game because people are using Vulkan now. That's what you need for your Discord. And then if you go to the seed shop and you check it, you should have Burning Bud once you click on it. So it doesn't automatically give you it. And you have to have money. It's not like you get a free discount or something. Alright, and that's basically all for today's video. And if you haven't, check my other video about how to get Bone Blossom before it's too late. Don't want to be too late. It sucks. Alright, well, that's all for today. Bye.